Hello, aspirants. With only 5 months left in your UPSC prelims examination, I hope that all of you are even more focused in your preparation. And along with GS, I hope that you are focusing on CSAT as well. Now, as time will pass, along with pressure, you will face a lot of advices as well, such as CSAT is qualifying examination, तो ये तो हो ही जाएगा, इसको इतनी importance देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Focus on GS because उसके marks ही add होते हैं, right? Also in CSAT also you will face a lot of myths like सिर्फ reasoning and English कर जाओ, aptitude करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, even then you will qualify, right? So there will be a lot of myths that will be circulating in the market, right? But I'll give you a reality check. क्या होता है? Every year we meet students after preliminary examination and they all have the same issue that GS clear हो गया and they are getting marks which will get them a rank as well, but उनका CSAT clear नहीं हुआ. So the thing is, when you are overconfident, you do not focus on CSAT, right? When you're overconfident about it, so a lot of IITians also face this issue and उनका तो mathematics background है, right? So even they face this issue कि CSAT नहीं qualify हुआ. So what is the mistake that aspirants are making? Worst mistake is being overconfident about the examination कि ये qualifying exam है तो हो जाएगा easily. Second mistake is CSAT exam also requires same amount of planning, preparation, and you should have a time management. You should know कि आपको अपनी preparation start कब करनी है. When you have to focus on mocks, आपके mocks की strategy क्या होनी चाहिए, right? इन सब चीज़ों के साथ you should also have a basic overview कि UPSC CSAT में कैसा pattern follow कर रहा है, right? In 2023, the CSAT examination, students say that the examination was very, very tough. Even a lot of students went to Supreme Court for it कि UPSC ने इतना tough CSAT का exam रखा है. But what was the point of it? वही exam था. UPSC will not take the exam again, right? So it is better to prepare in advance than to regret after the examination. ठीक है? So the students should also, you should do trend analysis so that you know कि इस exam में in 23 for example, aptitude was difficult but English was easy. So if you have done the trend analysis, you know that this level of aptitude is difficult but इसमें English easy आया है. So let me focus on English in this examination. At the same time in 2024, English was a bit complicated but aptitude was easy. So for all of this, to understand the pattern of the exam, it is very important to do trend analysis, PYQ analysis, all of these things. Furthermore, there are a lot of queries in CSAT as to जब आप mocks देते हो तो आपने क्या strategy follow करनी है या exam में जाके क्या strategy follow करनी है, right? How much ideal attempts you should do, what is the ideal number of questions that you should attempt. So all of these strategies. For this, we are organizing a webinar on 27th, that is on Friday, and I hope you will all join and you can ask your queries regarding CSAT, anything regarding CSAT, the syllabus, how to complete the syllabus, how much time you should take, if you are from, let's say, non-mathematical background, how should you, on which topics you should focus. A lot of queries that students face. That is why we have taken up this webinar. And please join that and let me know if you have any queries in the comments below. Thank you so much.